In your case, when you click on the Google Classroom, which all classrooms you are attending, it will come here. In your case, there will be only one class. So you will click on your classroom. Whatever assignment you will get, you will see it in the stream itself. Now all of you are by default looking at stream. So you will get it posted a new assignment, assignment 1, day 3. So you will every third day you will keep getting the assignments. The next assignment will be assignment 2, day 6. If anybody has missed any assignment, there are two ways to look at the assignment. Either you scroll down and check, which is a cumbersome process, or you can go to what is called as classwork. So in classwork also you will have all the assignments arranged in the descending order, means the latest assignment will come on top. So that is an alternate way, but now let us go to the mainstream. So once you click on this stream, you will get all the instructions for this assignment. Also, you will see two boxes here. There will be one YouTube video and there will be one assignment. So first you will have to click the YouTube video to understand what is being shown to you now, and how to submit the assignment will be shown here. So you can go through that video for your benefit. Once you are comfortable that, then you can go and click on what is called as assignment. Once you click on assignment, it will automatically take you to this form. So you will every day, all your questions are going to be in this form only, multiple choice questions. So what you have to do is you have to answer this. 2-3 important points to note is you have to put in your email ID, which is very much mandatory. And please note that this email ID should be the same email ID which has been used for the Google Classroom. If you use any other ID which is not in the Google Classroom, please note that you will get 0 marks. Different days you cannot give. Please don't send any reminders, request for changing. It will not be entertained because everything is an automated process. Now when you are answering the questions, you will have multiple types of answers. So one type of answers is, you will see a checkbox like this, which means there may be more than one right answer. And each question has got 2 points. As it is an automated process, even if you write one answer, the system will not give you 1 mark. Only if you get both of them correct, then only you will get 2 marks. Otherwise it is 2 or 0 because it is not a manual process. If you see what is called as a radio button, only one correct answer can be there at any given point of time. Once you are sure of all the 10 answers, you can just go and press submit. Once you submit this, you have only finished step 1 of the assignment. Please note, do not come out of this screen. Please go back to your classroom screen. And here on the right hand side, once that screen comes, you have to mark it as done. So you did not attach, this message will come, you didn't attach work for, so your teacher will just see it is done. It's absolutely fine. So mark as done. Please remember that once you do it as mark as done, you will not be able to unsubmit it. Please do not submit it or do an unsubmit it for in all of your assignments, because all your assignments are going to be multiple choice questions. Only when you go to level 2, you will be using different types of answers. Even if you submit it once and again the next time you go and click on assignment, it will not open the question window. It will always show you this screen. Now the marking system is very instant and immediate. Once you finish your submit the assignment, then you can come here, click on the score, and you will be able to see your own score. So you will also be able to see the questions and the answers which you have done, or you may not be able to say the answers. It depends upon how the things have been set. Your score also you can see here itself. You don't have to wait for anybody, or you don't want to wait for me to get this. But this score does not have the 2 additional marks which is there for timely submission. That will be generated subsequently. So the process of submitting the assignment is very simple.